Hi everyone, I'm Amanda from Fortronics. Today I'll introduce the Reappearance Series Smart Scene panel. Built on Fortronics' design-first philosophy, our smart panels come with sleek display boxes and cases. The Reappearance Series panels use anti-corrosion copper and aerospace aluminum. The aluminum features 4 finishes: brushed, flocked, matte, and sandblasted. Buttons come in square and strip shapes, with over 10 colors like space gray, polar white, bull black, glacier silver, and glacier gold to match almost any decor. The button labels are laser engraved or hollowed out, fitting the square button panels. The LED backlight indicators show blue, green, or cyan light. Using the world-leading KNX system, it freely programs commands, integrating lighting, curtains, multimedia, and smart scenes all in one. Unique patented design. High carbon steel bracket. Button assembly back clip. Button lower bracket. Base. Bottom box bracket. Frame 80 and 86 bottom box installation brackets. The Smart Scene panel fits 86 or 80 bottom box installations. The Smart panel has 4 buttons with 8 functions, supporting short press, long press, and timed operations for switches, scenes, brightness, curtains, and more. It features 2 I/O inputs total. It supports sensors, contact modules, and reset switches. It supports single and row installations, matching mechanical switches, sockets, and info jacks, all in unified styles and colors consistently. CE certified, meeting EMC and low voltage standards.